Hey brother, are you hunting for the best hosting or coupon code to unlock the maximum possible discount? I've got you covered. If you use my special referral link, you'll instantly get an extra 20% off on top of any ongoing offers, while regular coupon codes only give you 10%. To grab this exclusive 20% discount, I've placed my referral code in the description box, customized for every country along with the local currency and language. Just follow the one that matches your region. Once you click the link, you'll land directly on the official Hostinger website. Head over to the products and services section in the top navigation bar. There you'll find the complete list of hosting plans and services. My 20% referral discount works on every single plan they offer, so feel free to choose whichever suits your needs. For today's example, I'm selecting the Hostinger self-hosted N8N plan. You'll see multiple options: KVM1, KVM2, KVM4 and KVM8. I'm personally going with the KVM2 plan because it offers the perfect balance. When you reach the checkout page, you'll clearly notice my 20% discount has been applied automatically. It's that simple. If this quick guide helped you save extra money today, do me a favor, smash that like button and subscribe to the channel for more money saving tech tips. Thanks for watching, brother.